Are you struggling with the fear of being the idiot in the room or being the stupidest in the room? मैं कैसी नजर आऊंगी, बेवकूफ तो नहीं दिखूंगी, अगर ये किया तो कैसा लगेगा? Do these thoughts bother you? And does that leave you feeling disempowered? Let's understand this fear today and the impact it has on you, and what can you really do about it. Hi, I'm Asta Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a human king, an engineer, MBA corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. तो मैं अपनी जर्नी देख रही थी और मैंने ये देखा कि and I think I've spoken about it so many times that I have had this huge fear of being an idiot. मैं कैसी नजर आऊंगी, मेरे एक्सप्रेशन से लोग मुझसे इम्प्रेस होंगे या नहीं होंगे, जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो इंटरेस्टिंग होगा या नहीं, वो इंटेलिजेंट साउंड करेगा या नहीं करेगा. All of these things have been on my mind, I think forever. It dates back to probably my childhood school days, and I also see that it comes from a deep belief, a strong belief that I'm not good enough, which I picked up sometime during my upbringing. तो हमने पहले भी ये बात की कि हमारे जो भी fears हैं, they are founded on some belief. कोई ऐसा belief, कोई conditioning आपकी, उस पर आपका fear founded होता है, based होता है, right? तो मेरे लिए जब मैं good enough नहीं हूँ, up to the mark नहीं हूँ, तो मैं यही prove करने में लगी रहती थी that yes, I'm up to the mark, or I fit in very well. So any opportunity where I had to, demonstrate or portray myself or express myself, I would refrain from doing it unless I was 100% sure. तो अगर मुझे ये आता है तो मैं करूँगी, आई एम गुड एट दिस तो मैं ज़रूर करूँगी, क्योंकि फिर मुझे एक्नॉलेजमेंट भी मिलेगा, मुझे तारीफ भी मिलेगी. बट जो चीज़ मुझे आती ही नहीं है, अगर वो किया तो मैं और स्टूपिड नज़र आऊँगी, मैं डम नज़र आऊँगी. जिस चीज़ के बारे में नहीं पता, अगर मैंने पूछ लिया कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, तो आई विल साउंड डम. पीपल आर गोना लाफ एट मी, शी डजंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड. Are you able to relate with any of this that I'm saying? I'm sure you would be. Right? Please look into your lives और आप देखिए कि आपने कहाँ ये fear को face किया है. तो even in my organizations that I was part of when I was into the corporates, I would not speak unless I was sure that this may sound a good, intelligent idea. क्योंकि मैं जो बोलूँगी पता नहीं कैसा लगेगा. Often we get stopped. We get stopped in expressing ourselves. We get stopped in giving an idea, sharing our opinions, asking a question, saying that I don't understand a word of what is happening here. हम नहीं बोलते हैं क्योंकि मेरे colleagues बैठे हुए हैं वहाँ पर, मेरे boss बैठे हुए हैं. What will they think about me? They will think I'm not good. Why am I even here? I should know this. और फिर ये भी होता था मेरे साथ कि अगर मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा और लोग क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं, मतलब उन्हें समझ आ रहा है, oh my God, then I've had it. Highly disempowering. कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है मेरे साथ, मैं इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हूँ. So this is the, I would say, the flavor, the quality of this fear. Where it comes from? It definitely comes from some deep belief, conditioning. ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसे नजर आने चाहिए, वहीं से जिंदगी जी रहे हैं. For me, the belief was I'm not good enough. You've got to see what the belief has been for you, right? Now, what is the impact it has on us? I just spoke about it. Your expression may go for a toss, right? You may feel disempowered, not good enough. It further deepens that belief of yours. That's all that you're doing. आप उस belief को इतना reinforce करते जा रहे हो every time. That's what you're living. So You talk about self-confidence. You talk about, the opportunities that are coming your way. It all goes for a toss. You don't speak up, you're not expressing. कोई opportunity है, you miss out on that, right? And I think when people complain about the self-confidence, it is also coming from a huge fear. मैं कैसा लगूंगा, बोलूं या नहीं बोलूं? So there is a huge impact, and I realized it was very, very painful for me to not express, to keep myself away from my right to express freely. And I realized that only I am standing in my way. There's no real threat out there, right? Nobody is actually thinking I'm dumb or stupid, because there are other people also who are speaking up, and there are other people who are also sharing that they don't understand, are asking questions, and it's absolutely normal, it's fine. But my belief, I'm stuck there. Now, what must you do? The first step is awareness. And I think awareness has helped me come a long way. Just because मैं aware होने लगी हूँ अब, जब जब मैं उस fear में जाती हूँ, या जब जब वो belief activate हो जाता है, क्योंकि वो इतना strong है, right? और मैंने उसे बार बार उस belief को रन करके, उस पैटर्न को रन करके इतना बड़ा बना लिया है कि slightest trigger and suddenly it comes, it doesn't get eradicated, I would say. ये एकदम गायब नहीं हो जाएगा, but I would say you learn to address it over time. You learn to deal with it over time. It will keep coming back, but now the frequency will reduce over time. You will know how to deal with it. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? So first step is awareness. Okay. Again, that fear is coming. मैं कैसी sound करूँगी? क्या लगेगा? अभी तक ये सब subconsciously हो रहा था. Now I'm aware. Now if I'm aware, I can make a choice, a different choice. Abhi tak the choice was don't speak, keep quiet, you look stupid. Now the choice is, am I fine sounding stupid or whatever? What is more important, not sounding stupid or expressing myself? And I realized expressing myself is way more important. And every time I express myself, I say what I have to say, it is huge for me. It gives me such a huge push. I feel so empowered. And that builds the momentum. वो मुझे energy देता है, power देता है दोबारा वही करने के लिए. वो मुझे help करता है नया belief बनाने में that no, I'm not the stupidest, or doing this does not mean I'm the dumbest or the stupidest or an idiot. It's okay, it's fine. So anything new or anything you want to change or anything new you want to create, belief, it has to be backed by action. मैं मन में तो सब बनाती हूँ, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है, लेकिन मैं एक्शन नहीं ले रही हूँ उसके towards, then it will not get reinforced. Action will reinforce it, because that action will give me a certain feeling and I'll be like, wow, yes, this is how I want to feel. So जब मैं express नहीं करती थी, I knew exactly how pathetic I felt. और जब मैंने करा express, I knew I felt amazing and I want to feel exactly like this. That's what I said to myself. So I will do it again. I will express again. And in that process, अगर एक दो बार किसी ने बोल भी दिया ना, this is not good, or what are you saying? I was fine with it because I was loving that feeling. Yeah. So I think through my experience, I just wanted to, share this point with you that it's absolutely fine. If this means you are the dumbest in the room, so be it. It's all here. Go ahead, express, and live your life. Expression is bliss. Don't stop yourself. Don't hold yourself back. And only you are the one who's holding yourself back. Go there, express, take that action, and let me know how you felt. Do hit the like button if you found this good, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you back soon.